Hello. Today we're working on the stunning 488. We're going to be adding a muffler delete and cat delete system. One from Capristo and one from FabSpeed. So here's the stock muffler setup with a little neutral rev. Go ahead. Sounds pretty good. Let's see how it sounds after we're done. Now we've got the stock set up out of the vehicle and I laid them side by side so we can take a closer look at what we're switching over to. Look at this beautiful beast. Okay, we'll install it in the car and take a listen. Exhaust is all installed on this. We're gonna go ahead and do a cold start for you, let you guys hear what it sounds like. And then after it warms up, we'll come on back and we'll do some throttle ups for you. So right now we'll fire it up and take a listen.